Welcome, sweet one, to this week's guided meditation. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth as we settle into this sacred space. You are welcome exactly as you are, in your wariness, in your fog, in your grief, in your sacred in-between. Let your body settle. Lie down or sit comfortably. Let gravity take you. Let your bones know it is safe to rest. Begin to notice the breath. Not to change it, just to witness it. Let yourself be breathed as if the universe is doing it for you. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale, exhale. One more time, a bit slower. Inhale and exhale. Feel the air enter your body like a gentle yes. Feel the exhale leave like a release. Let everything fall away for now. Bring awareness to the base of your spine. Feel your root, your anchor to this earth. Visualize a warm red light pulsing here, slowly expanding. A thread of connection growing down from your tailbone, through your chair, the floor, into the soil. Deeper and deeper until it touches the core of the earth. You are not floating. You are not lost. You are held. Let the earth breathe for you. Let her exhale your pain. Let her whisper, you belong, even now, especially now. With each inhale, draw in nourishment from the ground. With each exhale, release a piece of the pressure you've been carrying. Repeat silently. I am tethered. I am allowed to rest. I am not alone. Now feel that energy rise back up through your spine, gently waking each chakra as we move upward. Let's move slowly, lovingly through the body. Feel the top of your head. Whisper, I bless my mind even when it's foggy. Feel the space between your eyebrows and whisper, I trust what I cannot see. I honor my inner knowing. Feel your throat. Whisper, my silence is sacred. My truth is still mine, even unspoken. Place a hand on your heart. Whisper, I am worthy of love even when I am aching. Just above the navel, whisper, I am powerful, even when I feel powerless. Below the navel, whisper, my emotions are holy. I allow them to move through me. Return to the base and whisper, I am safe. I am supported. I am here. Let each of these places glow with light, as if you're being anointed with the oil of your own presence. No one else had to do it for you. This is your reclamation. Now imagine yourself in a space completely safe. Maybe it's a forest, a quiet bedroom, a circle of candles. Let the image form without effort. In this space, you are not alone. A being steps forward, a protector, a guide, a version of your higher self, or even your future beloved. They come without judgment, without expectation. They come simply to hold you. Let them wrap you in their arms. Let yourself melt. Feel their warmth, their strength, their unwavering presence. Now listen. They are going to whisper a message into your heart. It may come as a phrase, a symbol, or just a sensation. Taking a deep breath in as you receive your message fully. Breathe into the stillness. Let it hold you. This is not a void. This is a sacred space, This is where resurrection begins. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are in the holy pause between chapters. Breathe. Be. Listen. As you breathe into this beautiful and safe space, a fire erupts around you. This fire unravels you whole, disintegrating all you knew into ash. Let yourself be in this sacred chapter, dissolved, but still whole. Be with this silence for several moments and see what is here to arise. As you lay in the ash, something deep within you begins to stir. The flames erupt once again, and you feel pieces of you coming back together. With a surge of energy, you are born anew. Wings emerging from your spine, sacred wings of flame and fire, as you shoot up from what once was ash, reborn again into a blazing bird of glory. Feel yourself emerge from this space, new, bold, fierce, knowing this strength is always in you. Begin to return gently to the present moment with this new fire and strength deep within your system. Feel your breath deepening, your fingers and toes waking slowly. Bring a hand to your heart again and repeat, I am here. I am holy. I am power. I do not yield. I will let the universe show me how good it can get. When you're ready, open your eyes. Move gently, stretch, sip water, and most of all, thank yourself for staying, for being, for choosing presence even in the darkness. May your rest be resurrection. May your weariness be woven with grace. May your body remember its worth. And may your soul keep whispering, still I rise, still I rise, still I rise.